come shop with me for beautiful plants to hang on my porch. I got in the mood today to actually clean off the paneling of my house, which was nothing more than me picking up the hose and rinsing it off. I'm not doing too much, as you know. So I did that, and now my house is all bright and yellow and beautiful, and I'm like, okay, we have to hang something up here, as we do normally every year, but I'm a little late this year. So I'm just out here looking to see what is going to look nice on my porch. I have 2 little slots, and I'm going to have my husband do an extra one because I want to get more plants this year. Like, I really like the whole forest, cabin, garden feel, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to get an idea of what I can have as far as like hanging up on my porch, like the little hangy thingies. I'm really not technical, like I don't know what it's called, but I'm trying to get an idea. I had a spider plant last year. I had 2 spider plants, and I was watering those things faithfully every day or every other day. But I want to get a tree also for my porch too. I don't know. I just want my porch to look really girly, really pretty. I don't know. So let's see what they have here. I don't see a lot of hanging plants other than those, and those are not big enough. Let me see. And I live in the city, you know, and it's not like, you know, it's not bad, but, you know, you don't want to put too much stuff on your porch because it might pop up missing, unfortunately. That's just how it is sometimes. So I want to get something that's beautiful, that'll hang up, and something that I can sit off in the corner where I can see it when I walk up and my visitors can see it, but not too many people can see it from the street view. I know that's bad, but it's the way it is. But how does this tie into your femininity? As a woman, it's important for us to spend time in beauty and doing things that make us feel girly and make us feel like ladies. And for me, doing these kind of things absolutely keeps me in touch with my femininity. Thinking about my home and the surroundings and the upkeep of it and how it looks. You know, that's something that's important to me. And as women, I think that we, because of that nurturing spirit we have, we naturally want things to look beautiful and be their best, whether it be our surroundings, ourselves, our families, whatever it is, we want those things to be and look the best that they can. So as feminine women, especially with the change of the season, we're going into the summertime, you know, take time to beautify yourself, beautify your surroundings, and nurture and love on the things and people that are close to you. Don't allow life to get so much in the way where you are not, you know, you don't have enough time to beautify yourself or your surroundings. That's one thing, you know, a long time ago. I used to do that. I used to be the kind of person that, you know, I don't have time to worry about these little things. Like, I don't have time for plants. I don't have time for this stuff. I'm busy. I'm hustling. I'm doing all these different things. But as you grow as a woman and you grow more into your femininity, you will realize that being in nature, looking at things that are beautiful, beautifying yourself and nurturing people and nurturing yourself, that will help you to accomplish more than just constantly hustling and grinding and not taking time to do anything for yourself or for anybody else for that matter. So as a feminine woman, you want to make sure that you are not given into the trope that you must be busy with the more serious things in order for your life to count, because that is absolutely not true. These are cute. These are dream catchers. These are so pretty. These are absolutely beautiful. And see, I like how they look, but I know me, over time, especially if the wind picks up, the noise is going to really aggravate me. So it's like, it's a double-edged sword. It's like, I like how it looks, but I don't want to deal with the sound constantly. I wish there was a way to stop the sound at a certain point. But these are beautiful, little yardstick thingies. You hear that? That is so beautiful. And I can listen to that all day long. But I know at night, as soon as I hear it, I'm like, okay, enough. But this is pretty, this little dragonfly. I'm thinking about getting this. How much is this? I'm thinking about getting this from my porch. Little, I don't know, is this a bird feeder? This is really pretty. But I still haven't found any hanging plants that look really nice to me. These are really pretty. I think I'm going to get one. Not the pink flamingo, even though I like pink, but I like that dream catcher over there, that dragonfly. Let me see what else they got. That is so pretty. But yes, don't forget to take time to beautify your space, beautify yourself, you know, be a woman. Be a woman. And I know some people might be offended by that statement of saying be a woman, but you know, we've been hardened so much by life, by our surroundings, by situations, by what society tells us to be and how to be. It's like, no, we can take time to just be. You're valuable and worthy even when you are not constantly serving other people, even when you are constantly not on the clock, even when you are, you know, not, running around doing what everybody else wants you to do. You're still valuable. You're still worthy. You don't have to constantly be in motion doing different things in order for you to be valuable. Like, this is really like, I know some people believe, you know, your life is just one big life of service. You know, as a follower of Jesus, of course, I believe that we are supposed to serve people too. But like I've said before, not to your own detriment. Like, we don't do that. We don't serve people to your own detriment. Like, you deplete your whole energy about somebody else's life. Like, we don't do that. These look like they're dying, and they're red, so they ain't really cute. I don't know. Full sun. See, my porch is a little bit shady, so these will probably die, unfortunately. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. Now, these are cute, possibly perennials. They're not as big as I wanted. Like, I want the big, like, bouffant long plant. But these are kind of nice. And the more I water it, I'm assuming that the leaves will come out more. I don't know. Let me see. I'm about to get one of those palm trees too. I'm going to go back inside and see. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. This is cute. But it's going to be sitting down. I don't want it sitting down. I want it to hang up. I don't know. I will figure it out. But if you haven't done so already, like and subscribe to this channel and share this content. Hit the notification bell so that you're aware when I post a brand new video. Don't forget to be a woman and enjoy your life, enjoy your time. Don't let people run you around raggedy and have you so depleted that you don't have time for yourself. Beautify your space, beautify yourself, and enjoy your life. All right, like and subscribe. Take care.